Start recording. Perfect.
I'll tell you. Listen. Okay, you take class later. We'll talk.
Okay, done. Okay, so okay, let me remove this one. Yesterday we have discussed about topological sort, right? This one, these are the 5 steps. First of all, build adjacency list. On the go, you should build the Indegree also. Then you will use Q for BFS as like this. Topological sort is nothing but Kahn's algorithm. We do say that. Background noise आ रहा है, disturb कर रहा है कि कोई नहीं. Hmm?
No, right, it's okay.
Okay. See, this is also known as topological sort. Okay. On this turbo mode, so everything is perfect, right? So these two both are same only. We will say Kahn's algorithm. We will say topological sort. So what this topological order says is कि like there should be ordering for the vertices. Okay. So for example, let me open the tested GFG1. That is very good, I guess. है ना तने?
It is good.
Yeah. Oh. See, you are given a directed graph with n vertices and m edges. You have to find an order of vertices so that every edge leads from the vertex with smaller index. This is they are making complicated. Just a minute. Not at least. See, so topological sorting is a way of arranging the nodes of a directed acyclic graph. This is very important. DAG होना चाहिए for sure. Okay. DAG होना चाहिए. And second thing is, if you order some elements like 1, 2, 3, this let it be this as U and this as V. This U should come before V. That is the only thing needed in the topological sort. So, making sure that every directed edge from U to V, there is a directed edge from U to V, node U from node U to node V. Node U comes before V. That is the only thing. If the graph has cycles, the topological sorting isn't possible. Why it isn't possible? For example, this, or let's see, this is a circle, okay? What is our definition? Node U should come before V. If we have a circle, right, then we don't know which node comes first, right? Either V or U. Yes or no? Because it is a circle, हमको नहीं पता चलेगा which
Yes,
comes.
sir.
So that's why topological sorting is for directed acyclic graph. Okay, if it is not directed, we don't bidirectional होता है ना, that time also we can't able to figure out which one came first. Yes or no? Basic. Yeah.
Correct.
So done. This also done. So I guess what you understood what is the topological sorting. And yesterday I explained you very well. After seeing the question itself, most probably 95% of the times you will understand that topological sort will learn. Okay. Whenever they give like this, right, there are a total number of num courses 0 to n minus 1. Whenever this kind of 0 to n minus 1, 0 to n kind of things, you should name as notes. ఓకే అమ్మా ఇక్కడ క్లాస్ చెప్తున్నాను 100 సార్లు చెప్పాను మా 0 to n minus 1. Whenever you got these, these are the hints that will let you know that these are the nodes and you should apply graphs. You got it? This is one of the hint for ensuring that this is a graph question. Okay, what they are saying, there are total of num courses, so let it be this n. Okay, n. There are total of n courses you have to take, labeled from 0 to n minus 1.
How to recognize it as a graph question? Say
Like
again.
this 0 to n minus 1, 0 to n. This is the one of the step. Kind of you can recognize. Okay.
Okay.
And otherwise they will directly give graph question only, like find the eventual state. See, they have give this, you will understand, right? This is a graph question. Hey, na? So that's all.
Okay.
So like this 0 to n minus 1, if you get this one, then you can somehow feel like this is a graph question. They are saying they have given array prerequisites where prerequisites of I equals to a of I comma b of I indicates that you must complete bi if you want to complete ai. For example, as I said, I took the same example, I guess, if I don't know whether you remember or not. See, DSA is there, right? For example, in our college only, DSA is dependent on C because in first semester we learn C, in third semester we learn DSA. Yes? See now. So this is a node, this is a node. Which is dependent on this one? DSA is dependent on C. So once complete C, then come to DSA. If you don't know C at all, then how will you understand DSA in C in our college? Yes or no? So whenever we are done with C, then we will remove the relation between that node also. Then once it is free, then we'll understand that we can take DSA also. This is the basic question. And Tanay, if you remember, I guess yesterday we have solved the exact same question. Exact same. But they are
I
asking you
was
the
not
ordering,
there
that's
for the
all.
full question.
They are asking for the order, that's all. Topological order is there, na? That one. For example, let me take this one. Okay. Sakshi, till now you are able to somehow understand what is happening. With this example, it will be very
Yeah,
clear for you.
मतलब
Okay. Yeah.
yeah,
टॉपोलॉजिकल
don't worry.
सॉर्ट थोड़ा रिमेंबर है, मतलब कुछ याद है क्या? डीएसए में पढ़ लिया, याद नहीं है?
Mhm.
नहीं है ना? डोंट, कोई बात नहीं, अभी एक मिनट रुको, ठीक है? दिस इज द प्री रिक्विजिट्स. ओके, क्वेश्चन समझ आ गया? क्वेश्चन व्हाट दे आर सेइंग इज दे आर गिवन प्री रिक्विजिट अरेज. Every array, मतलब this is an array of array, and every array contains only two elements of it. Okay, 1 comma 0, 2 comma 0, like that. What they are saying indicates that you must take course bi if you want to take ai. मतलब the second element is the prerequisite of the first element. 0 is the prerequisite of 2, 1 is the prerequisite of 3, like that. Okay, so in which order you should learn the courses so that you can complete everything. You understood, Sakshi, right now? For example, 0 is the prerequisite
Yeah,
of
yeah.
2, right? If we पहले study 2, you
Mm.
can't study 2 because 0 is the prerequisite and we haven't studied that. तुमको दिक्कत आते हैं पढ़ने में. So you should give a relative ordering, making sure that this order will make you understand each and every lesson or each and every chapter. This ordering is there. This is called as topological sort. I said you, if there are two indices, making sure that this is totally done, then only come to 2. If 0 and 2 dono completed, then only come to 1. Like that. Okay? Yeah. So now what is the first step here? Build adjacency list. Okay. What is build adjacency list? Tane, can you say for me what all nodes are there?
Yes, sir.
What all nodes are there?
1, 0, 1, 2, 3.
2 के क्या क्या रखना है? सर 0 का, पहले 0 का बोल.
1 and 2.
एक मिनट, ठीक है? क्या 0 के क्या?
1 and 2.
0 का क्या? Like that,
Means?
ऐसे नहीं. देखो देखो, first of all we should build an adjacency list, right? Very simple. See, 1 comma 0 is there, मतलब क्या? 0 is the prerequisite of 1. Yes? So
Yeah.
just say something. For learning 0, do you have any prerequisite?
No.
For 1?
0.
So 1 is depending on 0. Like let it be, this is DSA and this is C language. If you know C language, then only you can do DSA in C in our college, right? So what the thing, 0 is to 1 or 1 is to 0? 0 is to 1 only, right? So 0 से 1, ठीक है? Next 0 से 2 also. Yes? 1 से 3 समझ आ गया ना? How I am writing the adjacency list? 2 से 3,
हाँ.
3 से कुछ नहीं है ना? अबे समझ आ गया? This adjacency list, fine, you got it?
Yeah.
And what I said in the first, remember the Indegree, right? Indegree मतलब क्या?
Number
कितने
of
नोड्स अप्रोच
nodes.
कर रहे हैं? That is
Yeah.
Indegree. So 0, 1, oh, just a second, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Indegree means, see, how many edges coming towards it, है ना? So 0 से 1 जा रहे हैं, मतलब 1 का इंडिग्री पढ़ना पड़ेगा. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So here 1 का 1 appears only one time right here. So 1 का 1 only. Yes?
Yeah.
0 one time also not there. 0 is 0. 2 कितने टाइम आ रहे हैं? एक टाइम है ना?
Once.
1. 3 कितने टाइम आ रहे हैं?
3 का Indegree 2.
2. So till now everything is fine. Sakshi, build adjacency list and on the way build the Indegree also.
Yeah.
Now use Q for BFS. Okay. Done. Let me think. Now see, what is the first Indegree one? 0, right? So I will add into 0 first of all. Okay. So far, see the moment, okay, 0. Uske baad, what are the 0 neighbors? 1, comma 2. What is the next step? Use Q for BFS, add the elements which has in degree as 0. Only this one, so I added 0. Visiting the neighbors, okay, 0 ka neighbors count karne 1, comma 2. Dekho, now what I am saying is, 0 for 1 and 2, 0 is a prerequisite. So I am eliminating 0. Matlab I have learnt 0. For example, C and DSA course, I have learnt C. Now DSA के कुछ नहीं 0 ही नहीं है ना, no prerequisites, right? So I will remove this का in degree -1 because I am done with it. मतलब क्या 0 है ना, 0 है तो ऐड करो. Next neighbor 2. 2 का कितना है 1. Decrease that also and add 2 also. If it is 0, then only add, otherwise don't add. Next node is what? What is next node? 1. Okay. 1. 1 का neighbor कौन है 3. 3 का degree क्या है 2. But I have learned 1 right now, so you can decrease it by 1. But is it 0? No. Then we can't do anything. Then go for next. What is the next node? 2. मतलब 3. What is the q dot friend? 2, right? Pole 2. And what are the neighbors? 3. 3 ka integrate 0, decrease it. It will be 0. Is this 0? Yes. Then pull it into the queue. Then what is the ordering you got? 0, 1, 2, 3 or 0, 2, 1, 3. See, yesterday I said, right, 2, matlab, there may be so many topological orderings because, see, 0 ka neighbors kitne tanai 1 and 2, right? I may take 1 first, I may take 2 first, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It depends. Accordingly, our order will change. So that's why this is
Nah,
correct and that is
anything
correct. No
else.
worries at all.
Both is
So
correct.
the moment, when are we adding into the queue? The moment all the prerequisites of the course got completed, then we will learn. Then I'm adding into the queue. So the moment I add into the queue, I can directly say that this will be my answer and I will add it into my answer also. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So we copy this one. And build adjacency list first of all. Okay. Let me build it. Wait a minute. Clear how to do and everything now?
Understood.
First of all, I am initializing that, okay? For int I equal to 0, let it be n. I am adding it. Now see, now I will be iterating through this prerequisites. I will get an array, yes or no? Int u equal to pre of 0. Then you should only say now, int v equal to pre of 1. Now in degree किसको बढ़ाना है?
बढ़ाना means
Which one I should increase the in degree?
for 3.
हाँ?
3.
3 1 इधर देखो, this example को देखो. For this one, for which one, which is dependent on which one?
1 is 0, 2 is dependent on 0, 3 is
0 is
dependent
dependent on 1. मतलब क्या? 1 से 0 आ रही है ना? Yes or no?
If you have done 0, then 1, nah.
0 is a prerequisite
Huh.
for 1. Okay, then we'll change it. 1 का 0 है? Yes, now it's correct. Alright, before I wrote 0 is to 1. You said no.
Nah, you wrote the same thing.
No, see, 0 is the prerequisite of 1. Then, okay, then this is correct. Yes? So 1 is at the U or V? This is U and this is V.
Oh, 0 is U.
Arey yaar, this is U and this is V.
Oh.
Kya? First of all, so I should you understood this line? and again adj dot get of u dot add of v. You understood this one? u को ऐड करो लेकिन v का इंटीग्री प्रेस करो.
Okay.
This is making an adjacency list. Okay, so this also done, and so first step done. Yes,
This
Indegree
dot add v, where is it adding?
adj
Array list.
dot get of u
No,
मतलब
no.
dot get of 1. What is
Add.
सुनो
हाँ
dot
हाँ.
get of u मतलब क्या? What is there a dot get of is a list, उसमें ऐड करो v.
Okay.
Yeah, see adj dot get of I मतलब you will get integer, right, for normal list. If you do here, what you are getting? List of list we are storing na, so we will get list, उसमें ऐड करो v. It will be
Okay.
like this u v. This is a list, so many elements might be there. समझ आ गया? Then next we should take q. Yes or no? Q of which type? Integer only. Yes or no? Q.
Yes.
Okay. First of all, what I should write? Use q for BFS. Okay, done. Next, int. Okay. Q dot offer of 0. Yes. Is that correct? Can I add directly 0 or what I should add? Which one I should add?
First we should add all 0, then we'll increase the Indegree.
What 0?
Indegree.
I don't know whether you are understanding or not. See, if it is 0, Indegree is 0, matlab no one is coming to you, matlab you are not dependent on anyone. That only we should add right pehle.
हाँ.
That only I added here.
Okay. Yeah, now got
उसमें
it.
answer dot add of in also we can write, because answer में हम directly we can add that, right?
Okay.
अरे यार, this one is another bakchodi, but yeah, ठीक है. This one is fine, right? Okay, wait. See,
Understood. Now understood.
Okay, no worries. I am making an array list. Okay, उसके बाद हम convert कर सकते हैं array list को integer से, because they are asking you to return integer. Okay, this one
Yes.
is done. So done. This one also done. Visiting the neighbors मतलब क्या? While q dot is empty, what we should do? Int node equal to q dot poll. I removed the first one, then I should go for neighbors. Int neighbor in adj dot get of node. I am going to the neighbors of node that I am naming as neighbor. So what I should do now? Indegree of neighbor minus. I should decrease one, and after decreasing, is it 0? Then add to q. You got it? Tanay? See, yesterday you
Wait.
didn't listen, that's why it's very hard. Visiting the neighbors done. Once the neighbor gets independent, मतलब क्या? Indegree of neighbor is 0, then add it into the queue. That's also done. देखो यार, पहले Indegree and adjacency list एक साथ में कर लिया. This is understood? उसके बाद they want you to return, मतलब they want you to return the topological sort ordering. Yes or no? So first में I will add all the nodes which you have Indegree 0. यस, उसमें आंसर में भी ऐड करेंगे, क्यू में भी ऑफर करेंगे, क्यू में भी ऐड करेंगे और हमारा आंसर में भी ऐड करेंगे. ठीक है, अदरवाइज रिमूव दिस वन, नो वरीज एट ऑल, जस्ट ऐड इट इनटू द क्यू. सो वंस यू गॉट इनटू द क्यू, या
Are you recording this?
यस, बट इट्स टोटली फाइन, यू कैन टॉक, नो वरीज.
Oh no, I mean I should leave.
ओके, इट्स टोटली फाइन, या यू कैन,
Sorry.
या नो वरीज. Then I understood. Now I am polling out the node and I am asking you to answer, because see, when will we add into the queue? Whenever Indegree is 0 only, then only I am adding into the queue, right?
Yes.
मतलब क्या? This got independent.
Explain me that Third is written on that line. Yeah, for.
I am visiting the neighbors. देखो यार इधर क्या है, एक
ना
मिनट
ना,
रुको.
अरे go to the code once. That line adj dot get node. What is node?
Node I took na here, node.
हाँ, means what is that? Which value?
अरे यार that will change for every time. For suppose here so many nodes are there, okay? Why not?
हाँ,
I took one node is there, I pull it out. I removed that node, uska neighbors I will go, and I am saying that bro I have learned this one. Now तुम्हारा Indegree decrease one because you are going to be independent, but I am not sure about others, but I learned this one. For suppose DSA है भाई, ठीक है? DSA का थोड़ा logical thinking जरूरी है, थोड़ा C भी जरूरी है, ठीक है? So these are independent, right? So it will be like this, yes or no? Logical thinking.
yeah,
DCSA. Now, logical thinking will be like, I am not dependent on anyone. I just want, if we give some time, I will learn it. So, this will be done and I will remove this also. समझ आ गया अभी? But लेकिन
yes,
DSA is also dependent on C. So, I am going to the neighbors. मतलब I am going to DSA और उसका integrate, but I am decreasing that. Is it 0? No. पहले it is 2. But because I am done with logical reasoning, it is 1. What is that one?
okay.
C is still needed. Is it 1? No. Okay, ठीक है. Then go for C. सी तुम्हारा नाइबर कौन है? डीएसए. डीएसए का और एक कम करो, जीरो आता है. इट इज जीरो, यस, देन ऐड द डीएसए. सो
Understood.
पहले लॉजिकल और सी. पहले लॉजिकल ऑर्डरिंग कर दिया तो नेक्स्ट सी करो. सी कर दिया तो लॉजिकल ऑर्डरिंग करो, कुछ भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता बिकॉज दे आर नॉट डिपेंडेंट ऑन एनीवन. उसके बाद डीएसए करो, इधर भी डीएसए करो. दैट्स व्हाई देयर माइट बी मोर देन वन टॉपोलॉजिकल ऑर्डरिंग. समझ आ गया?
Yes, bro.
So they're asking you to return what? Integer array. But we went what? List integer. So we should convert that, na? Yes. Int answer equal to new int n. ठीक है? No, int n नहीं होता है ना? Yeah, it will be n only. N.
We should convert array list to array.
Yeah.
Okay.
क्या बोलते हैं अभी? आंसर. ओके, आंसर नहीं, क्या बोलते हैं? टोपो. टोपो ऑफ आई इक्वल टू आंसर डॉट गेट ऑफ आई. समझ आ गया? जस्ट कॉपिंग दैट हियर.
Yeah. So we
रिटर्न.
can directly put also, na?
But either index, I should take care of index now. Which index I'm adding right now? If you want to do that, right? See, let me continue.
Na. Where you took array list, in that place we can take directly the answer because the answer will be
See, Ra, I
equal
am
to
saying I
the
am doing that only. Okay, lekin I should maintain an index variable also. Because where I should add? लिस्ट है तो डायरेक्टली ऐड मेथड होता है, बट लेकिन हमारा इंटीजर अरे में नहीं होता है ना. सो दैट्स व्हाई
Oh,
आई शुड बी लाइक आंसर ऑफ इंडेक्स प्लस प्लस इक्वल टू नोट. समझ आ गया? अभी
हाँ.
इंडेक्स क्या है उसमें ऐड करो, उसके बाद इंक्रीमेंट भी करो. देन वी नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट दिस वन. समझ आ गया? अगेन यू विल बी कंफ्यूज. दैट वाई आई टुक अरे लिस्ट एंड देन आई एम कन्वर्टिंग टू अरे.
Okay.
एंड दिस इज क्या? टोपो. सो दिस आल्सो टोपो. समझ आ गया अभी? शैल आई रन
Yes.
इट? लेट्स सी व्हाट हाउ इट गोस. ओह, सीरियसली आउटपुट 0,0 आ रहा है. एक मिनट रुको. हाँ, देखना पड़ेगा, एक मिनट रुको. Always 0,0 coming मतलब it is not getting updated. That's for sure. Yeah, it is all. So somewhere we are doing mistake while here only, I guess. 1 minute, wait. In degree of neighbor 0, if it is, then only add, okay, topo of index plus plus equal to node. Yeah, node should be assigned to this index and increase that also. Index is 0, yes. Everything is fine only, है ना? ADZ, first of all I have IDZ dot, this one is fine. When I'm going u ka v, in degree of u plus karo, this get of u dot add of v, this is also fine. And q integer, okay, this is also fine. If int is 0 then only add, that is also fine. उसके बाद pull out that one is not empty. Top of index this one, then go for all neighbors, adj dot get off node. In degree of neighbor decrease करो. If it is 0 then only add करो. Hey, everything is fine, right? Why I am not able to get it?
See the case 3.
That is always 0. That's why it is.
Oh,
Somewhere we are doing mistake here only. It is not getting added here. By default, always 0, 0 coming. So there is no mistake and there is no error. किधर है भाई? Now see, we will get the ordering. If we don't get the ordering, then we are doing some mistake. Eh? Why always 0 coming, ra? It should print every time, right? Bro, what am I adding? If in equal to 0, adding. So here I made a galti. See, you understood? See now. Int value equals
why
to,
that one not working?
I will say wait, in degree of I. If value equal to 0, then q dot offer of I. Correct or not? Yes or no? Let me submit first of all, then I will see. 1 0 expected is 0 1. Okay, this is also quite opposite coming. 0 2 1 3 3 1 2 0. So here I am doing mistake then.
It is adding late means
No, it is
opposite
just
order.
giving in the reverse order.
Yeah.
See, so matlab we are doing एक ही mistake है, that is for definitely of this one only, here only. For example, the pair 0, 1 indicates that to take course 0, you have to take first to have to take course of 1. So 0 करे यार, see indicates that to take course 0, you have to first take course 1. मतलब what is dependent? 0 is dependent. 0 किधर है? इधर है ना? So इंटीग्री का u बनना है and v का u से ऐड करना है. You got it?
Hmm.
अभी देखो आता है. देखो.
Okay.
This one you understood?
Huh. No, that one I didn't understand.
Wait, let me compare this one. What I am saying is, before what I wrote, bro, again what galti happened, Just know all.
Expected empty.
Okay, मेरे को समझ आ गया. If it is the first of all, okay, wait. Just a second, I got it. Wait. Index equal to n, then return topo. If not, I will let in everything. Wait, just a second. Wait. How did I even forget about it? Yeah. See, Tanay, what I am doing is, पहले what I did is for int in degree. See, this is what we will get a value over here. We won't get index, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
So if value is 0, that is fine. What we should add? Index we should add. Index is not right now, but I'm adding this value as pushing into the queue. That's why we got an error.
Okay.
This is fine. And second thing, if somewhere, if there is cycle or something else, then we don't get the topological ordering properly, yes or no?
Hmm.
So that time, that's why
Correct.
I'm saying, if index reaches n, matlab kya? All nodes are, matlab we have covered all nodes and everything is fine, then return topo. This is a terminal operator. Matlab this, what does this mean? Means, if index n aa gaya tho, then you return topo. If not, a new integer array return कर, which is of 0 size. For this one. समझ आ गया?
Hmm. Ah, understood.
This one. Okay.
Hey, that is the. Uh,
Yeah. Yes.
Go down. Last line. Huh. That is the symbol for syntax for empty array.
Yeah, this is
At
syntax for
last,
entire.
at last we should give curly bracket also.
Yeah, we should give
Okay.
in Java.
Hmm.
See, this one I try to explain the approach at least, okay? Because if you want, if I code this one again, you will be थोड़ा दिक्कत आते तुमको. So let me.
Okay.
This is a very, very, very easy question if you understand it. Browser storage quota exceeded. Huh? No, what I should do?
New account.
Literally new account only, na?
Hmm.
That is the problem with this one. We can't create a new page or something. Any tool we have like
No.
this? Do you have any other tool?
Open this link. Open this link with another account.
Acha. No, export as read only link. Acha, okay. No, do you have any other app like that? I forgot that
Don't know.
name.
Like you say, na, I can overwrite it. I have tried it. I can overwrite it. Eh. Means you have exceeded.
That page exceeded. That's why.
Yeah. You have put everything in one page.
Hmm. See, Tanay, they are
Hmm.
saying that 8 minutes ago. Tanay, see, okay.
Yes.
See now, what they are saying is, for example, there is a directed graph of n nodes. See, n nodes they have directly given, so this is a graph question. Each label from 0 to n minus 1. The graph is represented by 0 indexed 2D array graph where graph of I is an integer array of nodes. Simple. This is an adjacency list, okay. 0 ka 1 2 is connected, 1 ka 2 3 is connected, that one is connected. Just a normal one. I will let you know. Don't worry
Okay.
about that, okay. And a node is a terminal node if there are no outgoing edges. First, matlab kya? If there is one node, there might be okay. Wait. There might be so many incoming edges, but there
Hmm.
is no outgoing
No
edge.
outgoing messages.
Okay, this is
And no self loop also.
terminal. Yeah, that is fine. Yes, that's a good edge case, but they won't give that. Okay, yeah, terminal graph. Okay, then a node is safe if every possible path starting from that node leads to a terminal node or another safe node. Then return all the safe. मतलब क्या? If a node is safe, first of all, we should return all the nodes which are safe. What is terminal node if that doesn't have any outgoing edge? So
Yeah.
now see, pause. If a safe node is there and there are so many series of nodes, okay, उसके बाद. But now what they're saying is, if these are leading to some terminal nodes, मतलब they don't have anything else, okay, then this is a safe node. For suppose there is another node, okay, here. This is another path, okay, and this is going to here. Now see properly, okay. See, for suppose this is the node I am checking for it whether it is a safe node or not. What they said safe node के लिए, a node is safe if every possible path starting from that node. मतलब whatever path you are starting from this node, मतलब this one and this one, okay. Then it should lead to a terminal node or a safe node. Okay. Right now we don't have any safe node. Yes or no? We haven't done anything. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this is the safe nodes. Let it be. Okay. Now see, I am starting from here. I will go here, here, here. Uske baad I don't have anything else. This is a terminal node.
Hmm.
Yes or no?
Terminal
So
node.
this is a safe node. We can't say that this is a safe node because there is another way also. We should check this path also. They mentioned clearly that every possible
All.
path. So if I go here, I will go here. Again, I'm coming here. So this is a loop. Yes.
Yeah.
So is there is a safe node? One path is safe, but another path is not safe. So it is not a terminal node. So now, did you get
Okay.
to know how whether we can identify this is a safe node or not? Very simple. Think about it.
If there is a cycle, then it is not safe.
Exactly, that's all. Just check if there is a cycle exist in this or not. If not, then it's totally fine for.
Hmm.
That's all. That's the question. So if there is some graph, okay, there are some series of nodes. There are some series of nodes. So many are there, but they will end up somewhere, right? If they are not ending it somewhere, so that means that they have a loop.
Yeah.
So that's the basic logic they wanted from us. That's all. How to write code for that, whether the cycle exists in this directed graph or not, that's difficult. But from the given example itself, हमको पता चला गया कि wait one. If there is a cycle exist, then this node is not a safe node. समझ आ गया?
Yes, sir.
See now, if this is not a safe node, then this is also not a safe node.
Yeah.
This is also not a safe node.
Hmm. Correct.
So if you get a cycle, then all the nodes which are contributing that cycle will also be.
Will not a safe node.
That's all done.
Rest is a safe nodes.
Remaining is also safe node. So if we have an array defining that this is a node is cycle है उसका it is contributing cycle something and this is not contributing cycle, then तुमको पता चलेगा कि if it is contributing or it is there in the cycle, then just मतलब ignore. If not, add it into your list. You
Okay.
got it? Shall we do this example? अच्छे से with
Hmm.
drawing
Yeah.
notes and everything. See now. 0. Okay?
Hmm.
See now. Okay. Here 2 है ना?
Huh.
Sorry. 1,
Nothing there.
2, 1. इधर 0 है ना? 0 का 1 2, 1 का 2 3. मतलब क्या? 1
How do
का
you get 0 ka 1 2?
that's all right. 0 का 1 2. That's all they have given in the question.
Okay.
Graph of I represents the neighbor of the ith node. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2. मतलब
Okay. Okay.
this is 0, 1, 2, 3. So, I guess you got it right. Yeah. So
Understood.
0 का 1 2 हो गया, 1 का 2 3. 2 का मैं ड्रॉ किया, 3 मेरे पास नहीं है. So I will take a node and I will keep it here. 3. Done.
Hmm.
2 का 5.
2 ka 5. 3 ka again 0. Cycle.
3 का 0.
Yeah. Cycle.
See now. And what all are there? So some
4
independent
ka
nodes
5.
also there. है ना?
And
6
4
is
ka
there.
5. 4 ka 5.
4 का 5, right? 4. Yes, okay, done. 6 is also there, but
Yeah.
that is an independent node.
6 and 7 independent node.
6 and 7 है क्या? इतना है क्या?
Sorry, 5 6. 5,
5
5
6.
is also independent.
हाँ, 6 is independent मतलब this is out of nowhere मतलब nothing. अभी देखो ठीक है, अच्छे से समझाऊंगा. ठीक है, इधर क्या है? साइकिल है क्या? साइकिल है.
हाँ.
क्या क्या नोड्स कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं?
0 1 3.
वो डिलीट करो. रिमेनिंग नो साइकिल. दिस इज इंडिपेंडेंट, सो डायरेक्टली 6 आता है. यस. 0
हाँ.
इज नॉट कंट्रीब्यूटिंग. दिस इज नॉट साइकिल रेट. देखो इधर से आता है ना? Either we can't go. We can go like this. We can't go
Yeah.
like this. So no cycle. So 2 is no cycle, 5 no cycle, 4 no cycle, 6 no cycle. So उसमें ऐड कर.
Hmm.
समझ आ
Okay.
गया? Yeah. That's all. If you
How
want me
to
to
check
explain
if
how, that is the question, right? That you should do DFS, okay? और DFS and BFS दोनों work करते हैं.
uh,
You have patience?
yeah.
Okay. This is for 0. Hey, let me take for 1 ra so that I can duplicate it, right? 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 also there, na? Tana, yes?
Yes, sir.
Uh, just a second, okay? ठीक है. देखो. See now. See, I will start from 0. Okay?
Okay.
Now see properly. ध्यान से देखना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? देखो, मैं 0 से शुरू करूंगा. 0 से किधर जाता है? उसका नेबर्स काउंट कौन है?
1, 2.
1 जा सकता है, 2 जा सकता है. DFS is what? Depth first search. So let me explore one neighbor, उसके बाद मैं आता हूँ. What is
Yeah.
DFS? Parallelly
1.
maintain all neighbors. Yes or no? ठीक है. अभी देखो,
Yeah.
अच्छे से देखो. This is recursion, right? Going to 1,
Hmm.
go, फिर से बात, once you're done with all का 1 work, then go for 2. Yes?
Yeah.
Now see, visited, I am right now visiting 0 as true. Yes or no? I visited now.
Yeah.
It's in recursion also right now 0.
Hmm.
मतलब how do you get to know rather? It's in recursion. Very simple. Recursion stack होता है ना. इधर में I will add 0.
Oh.
उसके बाद I will add the neighbors. What is neighbor? 1. अच्छा ठीक है. And 2 also will be there. Let it be that because we haven't visited. पहले I have visited 1. ठीक है. अभी देखो. In recursion 1 is also true. I already visited this one. Yes, अभी ठीक है.
Hmm.
Depth first search will be like I should go for 1 का neighbor. 1 का neighbor कौन है? 2, 3. अच्छा ठीक है. तो 2 जाना है, 3 जाना है. ठीक है.
Yeah.
2, 3. See, now you won't get it. Wait, let me give you a second. देखो अच्छे से देखो.
In the same tree when again 0 comes and
Wait.
0 is already
Now I
visited,
am
that
going
time
for
you'll get to
2.
know it is a cycle.
No. See.
Oh.
2. आ गया. 2 में क्या क्या neighbors है? 5. 5. Okay, let me go for 5. Let me add 5 here. 5 का ट्रू मार्क कर दो. इधर भी ट्रू मार्क. ठीक है, हो गया. नाउ 5 का नेबर्स कौन है? नो वन इज देयर, राइट? आई
No.
विल बैक and 5 pop out. 2, do you have any neighbors? No, I have only 5, so 2 also pop out. 1, we have any neighbors? Yes, 3. अभी देखो देखो सी now we got out of recursion of these two, right? So we should remove this, yes or no?
Yes.
Only for
And is it?
recursion, not for the visited, because visited हो सकता है ना, visited is already visited
हाँ
these nodes. Yes, right. See now. This is a best example showing that only the visited array is not sufficient for you to ensure or validate that cycle exists करता है. For the directed edge, right, you need another array also. Because when we are doing in recursion, when we are doing DFS, when we are in the same recursive call and the visited array also is true and in the recursion also it's true, then only cycle exists. समझ आ गया तुमको?
yes
नहीं
sir.
आ गया तो देखे 1 का पूरा नेबर्स हो गया, so 1 का 2 और 5 पॉप्ड आउट. 1 can you pop out? No, I have one more neighbor to visit. Okay, go for 3. 3 काउंट कौन नेबर्स है? 0. गो फॉर 0. अभी देखो ठीक है, 0 का ट्रू मार्क कर सकता हूं मैं अभी, ऑलरेडी मार्क, लेकिन इधर ऑलरेडी सी ओके ठीक है, आई फॉरगॉट टू रिमूव दिस वन. 0 3 for 3 I marked now true. Okay, fine.
Yes
Yes.
sir.
Now can I go for 3 ka neighbors? 0. 0 is already visited. It's totally fine. That alone can't. See now, Tanai, very simple thing. Okay. Now, before also you saw that 2 and 5 are already visited, marked visited, right? But the thing is, they are in different visited. They are in different recursive call. Now, in this recursive call, we haven't visited 2 and 5. Yes or no? But
हाँ
in visited array, it is marked true only. So what I'm trying to say is, alone visited array alone, we can't validate whether cycle exists करता है नहीं. समझ आ गया? So now I will taking in recursion array also. I will like bro 3 का 0 आ गया. Already visited 0 marked है. No worries bro. That can't alone help for me. But लेकिन in recursion का भी true है तो क्या है?
understood.
क्या है? साइकिल एग्जिस्ट करता है.
हाँ
क्या क्या
okay.
ट्रू है अभी, क्या क्या ट्रू है? 0 1 3, उसका
So
मत
we
ऐड
should
करो तुम्हारा आंसर
remove that.
में, रिमाइनिंग में
हाँ
दैट वन.
हाँ correct.
समझ आ गया?
Yes sir.
नाउ यू हैव एनर्जी टू लेटिंग मी राइट द कोड.
Yes 100%.
ओके, लेट मी ट्राई एट लीस्ट. ओके, या
Mm-hmm.
से फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल adjacent that one, let me get that at least, wait, so that I can copy some codes. Okay,
Yeah.
yeah, adjacency, making an adjacency list, these all are same. So let me come here and write this one. List of adjacency list. Adjacency order of this one. Either G in graph. I guess Tanai, is there any necessity of adjacency list right now? They are only saying right 0 का 1 2 है, 1 का 2 3 है.
We should not
नहीं है ना?
not means not needed.
छोड़ो, done. This is my adjacency list. Let me name it as ADJ. Done.
Yeah.
कितने नोड्स है? n equal to ADJ dot length. समझ आ गया अभी?
ADJ is the array given.
That's why they have to see. It might be empty, neighbors नहीं हो सकता, लेकिन that empty array is also counted, right? So
Yeah.
n आ गया मेरे को, ADJ भी आ गया. लेटेस्ट स्टेप, ठीक है. पहले क्या? ADJ लिस्ट बिल्ड किया मैंने. नेक्स्ट व्हाट? परफॉर्म DFS. yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. For that what do we want? A visited array पहले. Yes. Let it be boolean. Yes.
Dada, how did you get to know that we have to do DFS, not BFS?
No, see, we can do with BFS also, but I felt this is more intuitive. That's why I'm explaining. These are standard concepts, Tanai. Detecting a cycle in a graph, detecting a cycle in a graph of undirected graph. मतलब detecting a cycle in a undirected graph, detecting a cycle in undirected graph, making adjacency list, making an adjacency matrix. These all are very basic concepts, right? These all are also
Yeah.
very basic. So if you know how to detect a cycle in the directed graph, then this question is one thing, but they are asking that only, right? That application you should understand, that's all. Those all are basic. You can do everything with BFS and DFS. I guess
Okay.
most probably. Yeah. I want in recursion also, right?
Yeah.
देखो, I will explain each and everything अरे अच्छे से, ठीक है. देखो, first of all, now what I should do? See Natane, they might be independent also, right? Like this. For them also I should do. मतलब if I start from 0, I can't visit 6x or no?
हाँ.
लेकिन इधर और एक साइकिल एग्जिस्ट कर सकता है, हमको नहीं पता है ना. सो इसलिए आई विल बी लाइक, दिस इज कॉल्ड कनेक्टेड कंपोनेंट्स. ओके, लेट मी से फॉर इंट I इक्वल टू 0, I लेस देन n, ठीक है. जीरो से एन और वन जीरो से एन, ठीक है, अच्छे से जीरो. इफ इट इज नॉट विजिटेड मतलब क्या, परफॉर्म ए डीएफएस.
ओके.
समझ आ गया?
हाँ.
अभी टोटली फाइन. डीएफएस आता है इधर. क्या डीएफएस में क्या क्या, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस इज माय नोड एंड दिस इज माय एडीजे एंड विजिटेड अरे एंड इन रिकर्शन अरे. समझ आ गया अभी?
हाँ.
ठीक है, वो छोड़ो इधर. रिकर्शन पूरा हो गया. आई वांट ए लिस्ट ऑफ इंटीजर. मैं बोल व्हाट डिड आई से फॉर यू? When we can like how will you get to know what is the validation key whether this exists in cycle or not?
If the node is true for
In recursion है ना?
visited and in recursion both.
No, that is when we are doing DFS. Okay, let me complete that only then. Okay, wait. ठीक है, I will write DFS code now. Okay, private boolean DFS int.
Dada, we can do for a public boolean also, no?
No worries. Yeah.
हाँ.
Int adj, this is fine. Yes. उसके बाद क्या? Boolean array visited. Yes. ठीक है, बाय. उसके बाद boolean array in recursion. Yes. देखो,
Yes.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर डूइंग दैट इफ इट इज नॉट विजिटेड ओनली, राइट? सो क्या काम है अभी? पहले एक मिनट रुको बाय. अभी यू आर नॉट क्या, नॉट विजिटेड, राइट? पहले तुम्हारा ऐसे तुमको विजिटेड मार्क कर दो. दिस इज फाइन.
हाँ.
नाउ आई केम टू रिकर्शन कॉल, मतलब इन रिकर्शन भी ट्रू होना चाहिए. गॉट इट? दिस वन. See,
Yeah.
I am not visited, so I am visiting it right now. So for further recursion calls, I should get to know, right, that this is visited. That is the major work of visited, yes or no?
Yes.
You are not visited, ठीक है? Now you are visited, right? So mark it. ठीक है? अभी देखो, if okay for int neighbor in adj of node, this one you understood, right? I tested same like before only. Visiting through neighbors, first of all you will visit neighbors if and only if उसका neighbor का false. Yes.
हाँ.
If that only will visit. ठीक है. If not मतलब क्या? If it is false मतलब क्या? If it is true मतलब it's already visited. Yes or no?
Yeah.
If it is
false, then
already
we'll
visited and in recursion be
check
true
in
also,
recursion also true.
मतलब क्या? Return
It
true.
is a cycle.
Cycle exist.
हाँ.
समझ आ गया?
Yeah.
हाँ, अभी देखो. Now I am going to this one. This one you understood, right? देखो.
Yeah.
If it is not visited, then
Then we
what?
should visit it.
No, that we are doing here only, right?
हाँ.
If it is not visited, go for further recursive calls. है ना? DFS
then again
of
we'll call DFS.
neighbor
Okay.
of idj comma visited comma in recursion.
Yes.
This is fine now. देखो अच्छे से
हाँ,
देखो. मैं I will say now I will say one thing. This is returning what?
Which
Boolean.
one? Boolean.
Either
True.
also some Boolean
True
will be
first.
there.
हाँ.
When are you returning true? Cycle exist
When
करता है तो I will return true. Yes or no?
हाँ.
So
Yeah.
now at somewhere मेरा recursion का if it is true, then here only I can return true, right? Directly. Why to मतलब see, very simple तने. What I'm trying to say is there are 20 nodes, लेकिन I visited only 3 nodes and those 3 nodes are contributing in a cycle.
Yeah. Okay.
Then what's the need of checking other nodes? I can return it there. See, when are we returning true? If the cycle exists. Yes.
Yeah.
So if this is true, matlab somewhere cycle exists. Yes or no?
हाँ.
If it is true, then try to return true from here only. What's the
Okay.
use of processing other nodes? समझ आ गया?
हाँ.
So ये दोनों एक ही लाइन में कर सकते हैं मैं. If it is not visited and you understood this one? दोनों एक ही साथ में करिए. That's all. If it is not visited and DFS of is true, then directly return true. Done?
Okay.
If it is not, see, else if लिखना पड़ेगा. You understood, right? Because this is our mandatory condition.
हाँ,
If it is visited is true and in recursion is false, that doesn't mean that it's a cycle, right?
both should be true.
That's why. Else if condition may, what will come? Visited of node, which is true, yes or no? Otherwise, let it be keep
Yes.
it as previous only, that is good. है ना?
हाँ, this is better.
If it is not false, if it is false, then I will visit my neighbors. If not,
हाँ,
visit is true, check whether in recursion is true or not. ये true है तो directly return true. अभी what I should return बाहर return false, yes or no?
हाँ,
अभी एक दिक्कत के वो क्या रहा था? That one is once you are done with your recursion call, we should make it false, right? Why I will say, don't worry.
for the next recursion.
Exactly. मतलब this recursion call shouldn't affect the other recursion calls. Like where
Yeah,
we discuss here. इधर देखो 0 1 3 आ रहे हैं,
understood. That
समझ
one
आ
I
गया ना?
understood.
So this 2 and 5 are shouldn't be visited right now. In recursion,
Yeah,
see इधर visited हो सकता है लेकिन in recursion में नहीं होना चाहिए. Either if there are true again here 2 and 5, then every time it will be true only, right? Then we don't get valid answer. Yes.
yeah,
In our current recursion में if those are true, then return true. समझ आ गया?
yeah,
So because once this for loop ends, what does that mean? मेरा पूरा neighbors visited. Then backtrack करो. This is what backtracking is. अभी तने सुनो. I am
yeah.
doing this for corrected components. Yes or no? There might be some independent nodes for that also I should do. That's why I'm doing. If
Okay.
somewhere I got this as true directly, then is that necessary to find for other nodes?
No.
Break. Abhi, I will do. Now I am done with that and I will be like, bro, if in recursion of I equal to true, क्या करना है? ऐड करना है नहीं करना है? देखो इधर ट्रू है,
Add
आंसर में है नहीं,
add नहीं करना है.
मतलब क्या? फॉल्स है तो ऐड करो. समझ आ गया?
हाँ.
क्या? रेस्ट डॉट एड ऑफ आई. समझ आ गया अभी प्रॉपर अच्छे से?
Yeah.
रिटर्न रेस. See, nahi, I
Okay.
have taken boolean visited, I have taken n also. I will visit. This is for connected components. If it is not visited, then only go for it. But if where somewhere you got somewhere true, then what's the use of use yes or no? What's the use of doing for further recursive calls? You only break करो. उसके बाद wherever it is false, it is right. उसके बाद इधर क्या? पहले you are not visited till now, so mark yourself as visited. But once you are done with your further current recursive call, in recursion का node false करो. Now go to your neighbors. First of all, if your neighbor is not visited, then only go for further recursive calls. But somehow your further recursive call itself return true. मतलब there exists cycle. So either only directly return true. You don't have to worry about that. If visit of neighbor equal to false is false, मतलब visited is true. ट्रू मतलब क्या? अच्छा ठीक है, visited is true, that's totally fine. But लेकिन मैं in recursion भी चेक करना पड़ेगा. I will check this one also, and this is also true. Then only return true. If दोनों conditions नहीं है तो return false. Perfect था नहीं?
Yes, sir.
एक दिक्कत आ रहा है. Example 1 fine. I am getting 2 3 4 also, but I should get only 4. अच्छे से देखना पड़ेगा. Then do you have time for that? This is correct only. I am passing boolean this one also. Yeah, marking here, return false. Everything is perfect only, Tanay. I don't know why this is दिक्कत आ रहा है.
Yeah.
If it is not visited of I, then only go for it with rigor. If it is true, then break here only, right? Yes or no? What is the use of
Yeah,
going
that is
forward?
correct.
And उसका भी हो गया, उसका भी हो गया. Shall we do dry run then?
Um,
Yes.
yes, sir.
Or shall I make changes and shall I send you in the WhatsApp?
No, dry run. If you have time, then dry
I
run.
have time. Then if you have patience, I am ready for everything.
Yeah. I have lot of patience.
Okay, done. 0. Yes.
0 will go to 1 2 3 4. How are you duplicating this?
Control D.
Oh,
Why this is not coming dark? ठीक है कुछ भी अभी टाइम नहीं है मकसूदी करने के लिए black only I guess this one yeah this is perfect but लेकिन टाइम नहीं है ना अभी छोड़ो ठीक है वो क्या नेक्स्ट क्या
1 का 1 2.
1 का सेल्फ लूप भी है अच्छा
Self loop edge case you did not take.
because of that it is failing do you think
I think so.
the self loops yes they have given that shouldn't consider as will that be an issue Tanai
Yeah, but see, if 2 leads to again 2, then it is not safe, na?
but we are considering as safe right
Like 2 leads to 2 and 3, then 2 to 3 is a safe path, but 2 to 2 is not safe. I think so. But in the answer they are giving 4, then 4 is also not safe, na?
4 is safe somehow we should do that
4 is an empty node.
yeah that is empty node it's totally fine
Ah,
okay wait let me go through 1 minute ago how to do with this one sorry
I'll take one arrow up and that is also okay.
ठीक है उसके बाद क्या
हाँ
1 से 2 हो गया
2 का
2
3
का
4 3 4.
अभी क्या करना है तो दिक्कत आते है नहीं फॉर श्योर टाइम नहीं है अभी हाँ नेक्स्ट
And
3 का
3 का 0 4.
अब्बो
See, 3 is also a self loop. 0 to 3 and 3 to 0. Not self loop means parallel.
साई राम है ना हाँ
Uh,
नेक्स्ट
and 4 to
नेक्स्ट दैट्स ऑल ना
and
0
last
का
node
1 2 3 4
1
अभी
का 1 2
how can
2
I
का
even
3
do
4
this right now
3 का 0 4 and 4 का nothing.
सेल्फ लूप की दिक्कत आते ही नहीं दैट्स द ओनली क्वेश्चन राइट नाउ सोचो
हाँ
बट वी आर कंसिडरिंग दैट और नॉट
mm,
देखो क्या में सेल्फ लूप में 1 में है वी आर नॉट गेटिंग 1 इन आंसर राइट क्या हो गया फिर से we are getting 2 3 and 4 but I expect it is 1 4 so that 1 is not coming that is totally fine lekin 2 3 4 why it's coming 2 1 3 is also why it's coming that's the question right see this here
3
itself there is
3
cycle
should not come, but
see this is
how
cycle nathane 0 1
uh,
2 3 that's all cycle exists right
0 2 3 is also a cycle. Yeah, 0, 1, 2, 3 is also cycle.
Yeah, but one self loop exists है ना, उसमें it will be eliminated. Okay.
Yeah. Then why 2, 3 is coming?
I don't know, but I guess my code is proper. Almost probably everything is fine only, I guess. Okay, I'm done for today. Let me check once again and I will let you know once it through group. Okay.
I will check.
I will let